Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be cash stuffing our bills envelopes, our debt snowball envelope, and then also our everyday use binder right here. So if that is something you're interested in, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so before we get started, I want to show you guys something super cute for those of you who don't follow me on Instagram. Look at this cake topper. Super beautiful. And yes, you guys, we got monetized. My channel finally got monetized after 10 months of being here in this journey with you guys. So I just want to say thank you so much for always supporting my channel, for always liking my videos, commenting, and also following me on Instagram and TikTok. Thank you so much. So we're just gonna put this to the side. I think it deserves a spot on this table now, so let me move. I have this little coin jar or coin container, or whatever you want to call it, so I'm just gonna push it to the side because this is better. So maybe we could leave it there for now. I wish I can take this piece off. This was a cake topper made by Lux Design. If you guys are interested, I will leave her link down below. But let's go ahead and begin. Let me move this more to the side right there for now until I find a spot for it. So this is my bank envelope. And we're just gonna pull out the money and we are going to put it in this cash tray. 50s, 20s. Okay, this is going sideways. 10s, 5s, and then 1s. All right, so we're just gonna put this to the side for now, and we're gonna open this binder. So in here I have my paycheck breakdown, my debt payment tracker, and then also my student loan tracker. So this is our paycheck breakdown for today, and here we're going to be stuffing our fixed expenses, then our variable expenses, which is our daily use expenses, and then also our debt snowball. So I'm gonna put this to the side so we could go based on that. And one thing I am changing is like how many times I cash stuff my bills. So I decided that I want to break it down into 4 just so I can have a video for you guys every week. So this is 1/4 of my bills. So rent is 1/4, electricity 1/4, and so on. So rent is getting $273. So we're gonna do 200, a 50, 20, a 70, and then 3 singles. So here we have 100, 200, 250, 70, 71, 72, and $73. Next, we have our electricity, and electricity is getting $32 this week. 20, a 10, and then 2 singles. So we have 20, 30, 1, and 2. Alrighty, next we have Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi is getting $14. So we're gonna do a 10 and 4 singles. So we have 10, 11, 12, wait, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yep. $14. Next is streaming, and streaming is getting $8. So we're gonna do a 5 and 3 singles. So that is 5, 6, 7, 8. Cell phone is getting 55. Wow, $55. So we're gonna do a 50 and a 5. And then the P.O. box, I actually forgot to add it here, so we're gonna skip P.O. box for now. So then gym is getting 57. So we're gonna do a 50, 5, and 2 singles. So that is 50, 5, 6, 7. And it's usually $28, but my husband forgot to pay last month and he spent the money. He was like, yeah, we need to put double the amount. So I was like, oh, okay, I guess. But yeah, it's $57. And then now we're gonna move on to my everyday use binder, and this is what I carry with me everywhere. So Home Essentials is not getting anything this time around. We actually just went food shopping. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will see that I did post that on my story. So Thai is getting $10. So we're gonna do a 10. Self-care is not getting anything. MTA is getting $15. We're gonna do a 10 and a 5. Make sure this is in there properly. MTA, $15. Next is spending, and spending is getting $11. So we're gonna do a 10 and a single. It's $11. Okay. Business. Oh no, wait, this is miscellaneous. So miscellaneous, we're gonna put our PO box here until I make an envelope, or actually no, I should be making a PO box envelope, or no, I do have a yearly envelope. Maybe I should just call it PO box. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do and add it to my sinking funds. But for now, we're gonna use this miscellaneous envelope. So PO box is getting 58. So we're gonna do a 50, 5 and 3 singles. So we have 55, 6, 7, 8, $58, and that is due now. So I have to deposit this money. And then last but not least is business, and business is getting $423. So we're gonna do 400s, a 20 and 3 singles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 23. And then receipts that stays in there. Coins. I keep this in here because I live in the city and sometimes I need coins or whatever for my bus fare. So I'm just gonna keep that in there. And oh my gosh, look how thick. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I'm gonna put this to the side. And then now we are going to get into our depth snowball, and this is a new envelope that I am selling, so I only added it here just to see how it looks with this binder, and I love it. I might just put the, I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments below if I should maybe put the font a little bit smaller. I don't know, but for now that's what it looks like. And then we're just gonna go into our depth snowball. I'm gonna pull this out, and also I need to grab my debt payment tracker. Let me see. So I have 2 debt payment trackers here. So for one of them is for $4,055, and I'm hoping to pay that off by June 24, which is in like a week or 2 weeks, I think. And then I also have another credit card for a balance of, it was $5,252, but we did pay $1,000 2 weeks ago, I think it was. And now my balance is $4,252. But we are gonna focus on this card because this is the one with the you know, not the most interest, but they're like bugging me to pay this. So I want to focus on this card first. So let me put this here. And let's jump into our depth snowball. And let me grab a pen. All right, so I have my purple pen here. So we're gonna do, I think I said 1 to, let me see, 46 to 59. Yeah, so we're gonna do 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59. And if we add that up, that is a total of $735, and that's what we should have here. So let's go ahead and count that. So we have 1, 2, 3. 20, 40, 60, 80, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 20, 40, 60, 80, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35, 735. Yep. And then here we have, let me see, I think we had like $8. Yep, $8. So that's 735, 40, 41, 42, 43, 743. So we're gonna go ahead and add that here. Once I hit $1,000, then I'll add another 1K slip. So I'm hoping that we can update this tracker by the end of the month or get rid of it once I pay it off, God willing. So yeah, so this $1,000 that's here, this I actually made a payment to my other card, which is this one with the balance of $5,252. I paid $1,000 on the 24th, and then all I have, my ending balance is $4,252. So that is good. And then this one, I'm hoping to pay it off by the end of the month and we can get rid of this tracker. So yeah, so that is why the 1K slip is in there for this one. And that's about it, you guys. I hope this wasn't so like confusing. And you guys like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Check out my shop. I do restock every Saturday. And yeah, that's about it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.